In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create balance sheet in Microsoft Excel. We'll build a clean professional balance sheet that clearly shows what a business owns, what it owes, and the owner's interest. By the end, your totals will tie out, and the layout will be ready for sharing or printing. Start by opening a new Excel workbook and renaming the first sheet to balance sheet so it's easy to find later. At the top of the sheet, add the company name on one line, the report title balance sheet on the next, and the date or period end below that. Center these lines and increase the font size so your header stands out. If you'd like a single centered title across columns, you can select a few cells and use center across selection. Next, create clear section headers for assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Leave a blank row or two between each section so your totals are easy to read. Under the assets header, list current assets first, such as cash, accounts receivable, and inventory. Below that, add fixed assets like plant and equipment. Place each account name in the first column and leave the adjacent column for amounts. Right under your current assets list, insert a total current assets line and use each SUM to total the current assets amounts. Do the same for fixed assets with a net fixed assets line using ESUM on the fixed asset rows. Beneath those, add a total assets line that adds total current assets and net fixed assets together so you have one clear figure for everything the company owns. Move to the liabilities section, list current liabilities like accounts payable, followed by long-term liabilities such as debt. Insert a total liabilities line and calculate it with LSUMs over all liability amounts so this section is complete. Now add the owner's equity section, include items like common stock and retained earnings. Create a total shareholders equity line and sum those equity items with ITSESIUM ENIUM. Below the equity section, add a line that adds total liabilities and total shareholders equity together. This number should match your total assets. If it doesn't, double check for typos or missed rows in your sums. When the two figures are equal, your balance sheet balances. To make the numbers easy to scan, select all the amounts and apply the accounting number format. This aligns currency symbols and decimals neatly. Finally, add borders around sections and use bold formatting for total lines like total current assets, net fixed assets, total liabilities, and total shareholders equity. With that, you've created a clear, accurate balance sheet in Excel.